This is Jerry McSparron with JMAC Engine Shop. Today's date is March the 31st of 2022. And this is an MGA engine that is almost completed. I have a few oil leaks I need to address, but it was a 1500 MGA engine that we bored out and put 1622 pistons. If you're familiar with MGAs, they came with a 1500, a 1600, and a 1622. And so this particular engine was a 1500, but we made it a 1622, if that makes sense. And it runs very well. It's got gets good oil pressure, and we'll look at that here in a minute. And this engine is owned by Chris, and Chris, Chris wanted me to go ahead and send these carburetors off and have them rebuilt, and they were rebuilt by Joe Curto. You can go to joecurto.com, and he did a great job on them. They look great, and they work very well, and they adjusted very well. And we also put a flamethrower ignition system in it. It's got a flamethrower Pertronics coil, 3-ohm coil, and an electronic ignition, which of course they did not come with in the 1950s. And we also changed the oil filter to a spin-on oil filter, and I did a repair kit, or not a repair kit, but a conversion kit on the rear seal, so that this engine will not leak oil, and it's not leaking oil from that area, but we'll address those. So I did a compression test, and it produced 155 pounds per cylinder, and that should improve as it breaks in. I've only run it for about an hour, and then I readjusted the valves and retorqued the head, then readjusted the valves, and so we're ready to run it. And it's pretty loud. It does not have a muffler. As you can see, there's the end of the exhaust right there. And so we'll run it and let you listen to it roar, and then that will close out the video. Okay, so there you have it, and this is a 1500, and it's running quite well, and we'll get with Chris and figure out what we're going to do next. Thanks for watching.